Good morning, student. Let us see problems in exercise 1.3, question number 2, problem number 7. y is equal to 10 raised to power x raised to power x plus x raised to power x raised to power 10 plus x raised to power 10 raised to power x. This is the sum. Now we want to find dy by dx here. Solution. First write down given sum. Given y is equal to 10 raised to power x raised to power x. Isn't it? Plus x raised to power x raised to power 10 plus x raised to power 10 raised to power x. Let us take u is equal to 10 raised to power x raised to power x. V is equal to x raised to power x raised to power 10 and w is equal to x raised to power 10 raised to power x. Therefore, y is equal to, we have u plus v plus w. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to ddx of u plus ddx of v plus ddx of w. Isn't it? Now we calculate the values of du by dx, dv by dx and dw by dx. Now we have u is equal to 10 raised to power x raised to power x. Taking log on both sides. Log u is equal to log of 10 raised to power x raised to power x. Therefore, log u is equal to x raised to power x into log of 10. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 upon u du by dx is equal to log of 10 constant into ddx of x raised to power x. That is 1 upon u du by dx is equal to log of 10 into, we know the derivative of x raised to power x is x raised to power x in bracket 1 plus log of x. Number of time we calculated this. Therefore, you can write directly here. ddx of x raised to power x means x raised to power x into bracket 1 plus log x. Therefore, du by dx is equal to u into log of 10 into x raised to power x into 1 plus log of x. Now put the value of u. Therefore du by dx is equal to, what is the value of u? 10 raised to power x raised to power x into log of 10 into x raised to power x into 1 plus log of x. First denote this equation as 1. Now denote this equation as second. Now we calculate dv by dx. Now v is equal to, we have, what is the value of v? X raised to power x raised to power 10. Therefore log of v is equal to log of x raised to power x raised to power 10, which is equal to x raised to power 10 into log of x. Log of v is equal to, isn't it? Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to, now here two functions are there. This is first function, this is second function. First function means x raised to power 10 into d dx of log f x, plus second function log of x into d dx of x raised to power 10. Therefore 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to x raised to power 10 into 1 upon x plus log of x constant into 10 into x raised to power 9. Therefore dv by dx is equal to v in bracket, here x raised to power 9 only will remain, plus 10 into x raised to power 9 into log of x, isn't it? Now put the value of v, which is dv by dx is equal, put the value of v is x raised to power x raised to power 10 in bracket x raised to power 9 plus 10 into x raised to power 9 log of x, isn't it? Thus we have dv by dx is equal to x raised to power x raised to power 10 into x raised to power 9, we can take out common, 1 plus, what will remain, 10 into log of x. Denote this as a second. Now w is equal to, we have x raised to power 10 raised to power x. Therefore log of w is equal to, we have log of x raised to power 10 raised to power x, which is equal to 10 raised to power x into log of x. Log of w is equal to, differentiating with respect to x. We get 1 upon w into dw by dx is equal to, this is first function, this is second function, d dx of, we will write this into log of x. Now this is first function, this is second function. Apply this, which is equal to first function 10 raised to power x into d dx of log x plus log of x second function into d dx of 10 raised to power x, isn't it? Which is equal to 10 raised to power x into 1 upon x plus log of x into 10 raised to power x into log of 10, derivative of this. One upon w into dw by dx. Therefore dw by dx is equal to w into bracket 10 raised to power x upon x plus 10 raised to power x into log of x into log of 10, isn't it? Now therefore dw by dx is equal, put the value of w, this x raised to power 10 raised to power x. Now you can take out 10 raised to power x as a common. In bracket we have 1 upon x plus, you can write this as a log of 10 into log of x. This is denote this as a third, no, first, second, this is third. Isn't it? This is third, this is fourth. Therefore from 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have dy by dx is equal to du by dx, put the value of du by dx, that is 10 raised to power x raised to power x into x raised to power x into log of 10 into 1 plus log of x plus, put the value of dv by dx, this x raised to power x raised to power 10 into x raised to power 9 in bracket 1 plus 10 into log of x plus, now dw by dx, put the value this x raised to power 10 raised to power x into 10 raised to power x into bracket 1 upon x plus log of 10 into log of x. This is the last answer. In this way we can solve this sum, isn't it? Now one more sum we will solve here of this question and we'll proceed to next. Let us see question number 8. Y is equal to tan of x raised to power tan x whole raised to power tan x, and we want to find the value of dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4. Let us solve this solution. Given y is equal to, we can write tan x raised to power tan x whole raised to power tan x. Taking log on both sides, we get log of y is equal to log of in bracket tan x raised to power tan x complete box complete raised to power tan x, which is equal to tan of x by using the property of logarithm into log of tan x raised to power tan x. Again apply the logarithmic property here. We get log of y is equal to tan of x constant. This is again become tan x into log of tan x. Therefore log of y is equal to tan x into tan x means tan square x into log of tan x we have. Now differentiating with respect to x, 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to d dx of tan square x into log of tan x, isn't it? Therefore 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, this is first function, this is second function. First function tan square x into derivative of d dx of log of tan x plus log of tan x second function into d dx of tan square x, isn't it? Which is equal to 1 upon y dy by dx as it is. This is tan square x as it is equal to 1 upon tan x into derivative of tan x is sec square x plus log of tan x constant into derivative of tan square x is 2 tan x into derivative of tan x is sec square x. Isn't it? Now observe what we get here. Here 1 tan x and 1 get cancelled. Here we have 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, we have tan x into sec square x plus log of tan x into 2 tan x into sec square x will remain. For dy by, therefore dy by dx is equal to y into tan x into sec square x, we take out common. In bracket we have 1 plus 2 log of tan x. Isn't it? Isn't it? Which is equal to, now y means what? What is the value of y? Y is tan of x raised to power tan of x whole raised to power tan of x into tan x into sec square x into bracket 1 plus 2 log of tan x dy by dx. Now dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4 is equal to tan pi by 4 raised to power tan pi by 4 raised to power tan pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 into sec square pi by 4 into 1 plus 2 log of tan pi by 4. Isn't it? Now put the values. We get here tan pi by 4 means 1, that is 1 raised to power 1 raised to power 1 into 1 into sec pi by 4 means root 2 square into 1 plus 2 into log of tan pi by 4 means 1 log 1. Here we can write tan pi by 4 is equal to 1 and sec pi by 4 is equal to root 2. Isn't it? Therefore we get value 1 into 2 into bracket 1 plus 2 into log 1 means 0, which is equal to 2 into bracket 1, which is equal to 2. Therefore dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4, the value is 2. In this way we can find the answer. Remaining questions we will see in coming video.